Hello and congratulations on being selected as a Law Reviewer Journal member for your school's publication. This is Cheryl Clark, and this video will demonstrate how to use Lexis Plus to ensure that your chosen topic is not preempted. What does it mean to be preempted? The straightforward definition of preemption is that you cannot write on a topic about which someone else has already written. Generally, you are preempted if you find a relatively recent article, the date here will vary depending upon your chosen topic, that makes the same argument and comes to the same conclusion, and you can't or don't want to argue the opposite side, or it covers every aspect of your topic. Always check with the policies of your publication for further guidance. Doing a preemption check assures the originality of your note or comment. The more original a note or comment is, the more likely it will be selected for publication. How do you conduct a check for preemption using Lexis Plus? Two methods. The first, term preemption check. The second method, Shepard's preemption check, when your focus is a case or statute. Term preemption check. Once you've found a topic that interests you, it's important to determine that it has not been written about extensively. If it has been, then that significantly increases the odds that your topic is preempted. It's best to begin by conducting a search for your topic in law reviews and law journals. Lexis has over 800 law reviews and law journals, so you know your term preemption check will be thorough. In a term or word preemption check, you conduct a search for your topic using terms or keywords or phrases that would most likely be in an article discussing your topic, and think about how far apart those words might be. Your initial preemption check can help you refine a broad topic by suggesting alternative terms, showing you what's already been discussed or argued. For example, an initial term preemption check on issues with employers' drug testing for marijuana might look like this. Cannabis or marijuana /25 employer /25 drug /5 screening or testing. This is a terms and connector search. I've used /25 to mean that I'm looking for the words cannabis or marijuana within 25 words of employer, within 25 words of drug, within 5 words of either the word screening or testing. You could run a similar search to mine on your topic using the words 25 or any number you choose as a connector in between your words. Click Search. Select Secondary Materials as the category. Then narrow by Law Reviews and Journals using the filter on the left. You'll want to have your topic narrowed down to the point where this general search retrieves somewhere between 25 and 250 results approximately. Too few results indicate that your topic is so novel that you'll have little to say. Too many results indicate that the topic is so done that it'll be very difficult for you to bring something significant to the discussion unless a new substantial issue has developed. How do you review the articles to make sure you're not preempting? Well, begin by reading the titles, the date, and your highlighted search terms in context. Search term mapping makes this even easier. If this combination convinces you that the article could possibly preempt you, you need to review it. Let's open the article, "The Grass is Greener Somewhere." Don't review the entire article right away. Almost every article will contain an introduction that sets forth exactly what will be discussed. In this article, if you scroll through the introduction, you'll see Part 1 does this, Part 2 does this. Review that section to determine if the article does not preempt you, or if you need to review the whole article or parts of the article. This initial search and subsequent article review will help you to further refine your topic. Once you have it in a final form, you'll need to run the preemption check again. The second method of conducting a preemption check is a Shepard's preemption check. Shepard's has been the standard in the legal industry for over 150 years. This method is used when your topic is focused on a case or statute to such a degree that you can say that any article that preempts you would have to cite to that particular case or statute. Simply type the case or statute cite into the search box. I'll use a case citation. Click Other Citing Sources at the Shepard's Report menu at the top of the case. This will retrieve all law reviews, journals, statutes, treatises, court documents, restatements, and other sources that have cited the case. Select Law Reviews under the Content filter on the left, and you can now review the resulting articles, or use Narrow By on the left to narrow the results to law review articles that discuss certain key terms or phrases and review those. After discussing what preemption is and the two methods for checking preemption on your note or comment topic, you should now feel confident that you can use Lexis to ensure that your topic is not preempted both now and throughout the writing process. You can always reach out to me or your Lexis student representatives for expert research assistance. You'll find our contact information on the Lexis Law School homepage when you log into your Lexis account. Additionally, you can contact Lexis customer support for research assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-45-LEXIS. Good luck on your topic, and thanks for using Lexis.